Welcome to our quick 3-minute review of Sigma Computing, the cloud-native analytics platform that promises to bring the power of data directly to your business teams. Let's dive into what it offers, its strengths, its weaknesses, and whether it's worth your time. Sigma Computing is a modern analytics and business intelligence platform built on the cloud. Unlike traditional BI tools, Sigma connects directly to your cloud data warehouse, like Snowflake, BigQuery, or Redshift, which means no data extracts, no delays. Now let's take a look at the main tabs on the platform. Home. This is your dashboard hub where users can quickly access recent projects, dashboards, and data sources. Workbook, the heart of Sigma. Workbooks are like spreadsheets on steroids, live connected to your data warehouse with formulas, charts, and pivot tables. Explore. This allows you to dig into data sets, apply filters, and analyze without writing code. Datasets. Here, teams can curate and manage reusable datasets for broader use. Visualizations and dashboards. Build charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards to share across teams, all without writing SQL. Pros. Here's what we love about Sigma. Spreadsheet-like interface. Business users feel right at home. No coding needed. Real-time access to cloud data, always up to date. Collaboration features. Teams can build and explore data together in real time. Governance and security. Enterprise-level control over data access and sharing. Speed. Because it runs directly on the warehouse, large data sets are handled efficiently. Cons. But it's not all perfect. Learning curve. While it's user-friendly, power users still need time to fully master advanced features. Limited offline access. As a cloud-native tool, it's not designed for disconnected environments. Cost. It's geared toward enterprise, so pricing may be high for smaller teams or startups. So, is Sigma Computing worth it? If you're a data-driven business using a cloud warehouse and want to empower your analysts and business users without relying on engineering every time, yes, it's absolutely worth it. Sigma combines power, flexibility, and usability in a way that few BI tools manage. But if you're a small team on a tight budget or not yet cloud first, you might want to explore more lightweight alternatives first. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. And drop your questions about Sigma in the comments.